Hello viewers, I welcome you once again to class, and actually we are still on set. We are actually going to talk on an aspect of set, that is a shading of Venn diagram. When we talk about Venn diagram, it's simply a diagram that represents, or a diagram that shows mathematical application, or a diagram that shows result of mathematical dealings. Okay, so let's quickly start. When we talk about Venn diagram, we always know of different types of diagrams, and actually I'm going to use the two set diagram to actually illustrate for you in this lesson. Okay, let's say when it comes to shading, we need to identify two different styles, and we know that every diagram has its universal set, and when we look at the drawing very well, we can see there are two circles joined together, and this part of the circle here, we call it x only, and we call this side of the circle where I am actually drawing the zigzag, we call the whole region as what? X. Yes, and this point here, so let's say we call here x only, we call here x, and where we see the P, we call that place as what? Their intersection. Okay, and that's the same way if they say I should find y. Y is simply what? The whole circle here is y. But when we say y only, it's only this side, the shaded part, this side is y only. And actually in this video, I'm also going to actually open your eyes on more things. Okay, so when we talk about the universal set is telling us that when we say the universal set, it's actually everything in A and B, and also outside the two circles. So when we say universal, it means that it occupies here where the plus is, everywhere, the whole year, everything here in the diagram is part of what? The universal set. Okay, so let's quickly do some form of shading. Okay, so let's consider these diagrams. I have my x, I have my y, then I know my u is here. So x union y, so we are actually going to do for x union y. When we say x union y, it means that, as I earlier on said, that we are trying to join the two different sets together. So in joining the two different sets gives you their union. So it means that when we are to shade, we are shading the whole two different sets that we have, because we are finding the union. That means that we are trying to say that what is the cohesion between the two. Yes, we are trying to join them. Yeah, we are joining the two sets. So where I've shaded is actually A union B. And let's quickly look at this one. Maybe the diagram B at the down here. Maybe they ask us to find x intersection y. So let me do this. X intersection y here, x intersection y. When we actually talk about intersection, it simply means that what is common to both sets, and we can see that this side, or an actual way when you are shading is what I actually mean is that when I talk about intersection in shading, it simply means that where the two circles has a link, where they have a link is their intersection. So this side is where they intersect, this side is where they have the link, they are joined together at this side, and where they are really connected or joined together, that is where we call what? Their intersection. So let us look at this one. The third one is what is a little bit tedious, and I'm actually going to try my possible best in order to break it down so that you understand. I'm actually going to make things that contains a little more of complexity very loose for you. Okay, what of when we say x complement union y? Let's be a little bit careful when it comes to something like this. Y. Okay, when we talk about x complement, it means that everything outside x, so we cannot actually have two diagrams for this when we are about solving, when we are dealing with this. When they say x complement, it simply means that everything outside x. So if everything outside x, then it means that if everything outside x, if everything outside x, everything outside x, then it means that I'm going to have here, this place is outside x. That's the first thing that comes in mind. Everything outside x, that place is outside x. Then they are now telling us that what? Everything outside x. Union means what? They should be brought together. They should be joined together. Union what? Y. So it means that everything outside x now plus y. And this is all part of what? Y. This is actually how the understanding should go. That is how the understanding should go. Thank you very much. Don't forget to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Mathematics Frederick, and also like my Facebook page, Ultimate Mathematics. The profile picture there is mathematical formula. God bless you. Can call me for booking, and I'm ready to answer your calls. I'm going to open your eyes on mathematics, and actually I'm going to do you. You can also be a shark. God bless you. Bye bye.